Here's this Cajun chicken, a beetroot burger, which I found by accident when I went to Morrison's, and it's called, gosh, naturally delicious beetroot burgers with carrot, kale and a hint of mint. I don't know what these are going to taste like, and I didn't get it just because it's vegan friendly, gluten free or free from egg, dairy, nut and soya. I didn't even notice that. I just walked into the salads and then I just saw these different kind of things and I thought, oh, I like different tastes and I like exploring, experimenting. I also got these from the same aisle, believe it or not, gluten-free aisle I think, there. But they're spinach and ricotta tortellini. I don't know if Italians are going to murder me for murdering their language, but I'm sorry. But it says free from nuts, high in fibre, perfect for vegetarians. I'm not a vegetarian, but it boils in 1 minute. They say put a paste in, but I've just got water and I'll just put some water in. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry these in a frying pan for about 15 minutes or so, and then I'm going to put these in, but I'll heat the water up first while this is cooking, and then I'll stick, I don't know, just a few of those in because they really do expand. This is coconut oil rather than olive oil, so raw coconut oil there. Okay, and then I don't want cheese, but I will put some garlic in, garlic salt in, and I will put a bit of coriander in this time because I thought it would be really tasty the last time, but it's not. It was quite mild. I thought it was going to be coriander. And then this is cumin. Put some cumin in. I tend not to, there you go, cumin, okay, and that's how much I've got. And just sprinkle it over the chicken. And it just adds a little bit more taste to it. And I'll put some chia seeds in this time, because I put linseeds in last time. Okay, here's my, I always cover it with the plastic. And then get this, and this. Okay, put it on low and slow again. Because I like doing it on low and slow, but what I'll do, I'll turn it up a little bit. There you go, not too high. And I know most people will be saying, melt the oil first. It looks like lard, doesn't it? But it's not. And then I'll do this because I want to heat up the water. So now, I don't know how much water to put in here, but we're just all guesswork. Take the lid off. And I always use bottled water. I never use the water from the campsite. I'll use the water from the campsite for my shower and for washing in, but I'll never use it for eating and drinking. No, let's put that in there. Remember, I've only got like a little bit, so that was just half a bottle of water there. And all I'm doing is heating that water up until these are done, and then I'll stick them in for the last minute, and that's all. Let's get that melted. I don't know what this burger's going to end up like, but we'll see. We will have a go. See, they're not going to take long because I've cut them up. It was a chicken slice of a breast. Yeah, chicken breast, but sliced. Oh my goodness, it's windy out there. Stay safe, whatever you're doing. It's rocking this about. I might as well be on a boat. I keep dreaming of boats for some strange reason. Turn that over. What I'll do is, so that the oil goes down there as well, I just want to get this chicken, you know, meat done. And you can do the same with either beef or pork, you know, or lamb even. Just chop it all up, stick it in the frying pan, and just add all the ingredients to it. As I said, I don't know what this is going to taste like, but we will see. It's not quite done yet. I'm only doing that so it gets the taste into the burger. Taste of that into the burger. And it won't take long. I don't think it's going to take 15 minutes. I've cut the burger up into little bits, quarters. It's not like a... I keep thinking that red thing is meat, but it's not. It's beetroot. Anyway, I have got some salad. I'm going to put this on here. Put this in now. It's amazing the way they can just soften up in 1 minute. I think these burgers just need heating up. As long as that chicken... go over there. That's it. That chicken just frazzled down to nothing. And I think that's done. I'll put that over that side. There you go. And look at what these do. You only need a minute. And they're nearly done. See what you can cook in a camper on 2 stoves, 2 rings. Thank goodness, eh? Otherwise I'd be starving. I think they're done now. We're going with a fork. That one. Yep, they're done. Turn that off. Turn that off. And then before everything... Let's put it on the plate. I'm going to tidy this up. That's the thing. When you're living in a small space, you have got to be tidy. You cannot be lazy and mess things up because it just gets so uncomfortable. Okay, so I'm going to put this on a plate now. Okay, beetroot burger, Cajun chicken, tortilla, spinach and salad. I've got beetroot leaves in there as well. That's nice.